Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can buy Forex in Moomoo. In order to do so, here we are at moomoo.com, and to find the answer to our question, let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension that allows you to ask questions of the top AI models available and get the answers you're looking for. According to Cider, to buy Forex in Moomoo, you need to follow some steps within the platform. Moomoo is a trading app mainly known for stocks and options, but it also provides Forex trading access in some regions. Here's a general guide on how to buy Forex in Moomoo. First off, if you don't have the app or account, download Moomoo and sign up. Some platforms require enabling Forex trading or applying for eligibility. Check if Moomoo requires enabling or approval for Forex trading in your region. In the app, go to the Market or Trading tab and look for Forex currency pairs. This could be under Markets, Forex, or directly by searching currency pairs. Use the search bar to find currency pairs you want to trade, either Euro, USD, etc. Tap on the currency pair you want to buy. You will generally see options to buy or sell. Select buy. Enter the amount or lot size you want to trade. Choose the order type and set stop loss and take profit if available and desired. Review the order details, then confirm and place your order. After buying, monitor your open Forex positions through the portfolio or positions tab. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cider. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you will get $50 to open an account. Once you've gotten the account open, you can refer your friends and family and get $125 per referral, and they'll get $50 to start. It's a win-win situation. It's a great deal, and Simply Financial is a wonderful bank. Comes highly recommended.